Good night. I am Jasmine Cruz Castillo. Classroom objects. Birds, birds. Notebook, notebooks. Backpack, backpacks. Calculator, calculators. Book, book. Family members. Father, fathers. Mother, mothers. Brother, brothers. Sister, sisters. Grandfather, grandfathers. Professions. Logist, logists. Musicians, musicians. Doctor, doctors. Journalists, journalists. Teacher, teachers. Part of the body. Head, hands. Arm, arms. Finger, fingers. Hand, hands. Leg, legs. Pet animals. Dog, dogs. Cat, cats. Zebra, zebras. Lion, lions. Rabbit, rabbits. Place and things at home. Room, rooms. Kitchen, kitchen. Bathroom, bathrooms. Living room, living room. Backyard, backyard, backyards. Couch, couches. Household objects. Couch, couches. Chair, chairs. Table, tables. Bed, beds. Refrigerated, refrigerated. Toys, car, cars. Doll, dolls. Ball, balls. Teddy, teddies. Bicycle, bicycles. Clothes, dress, dresses. Pants, pants. Sweater, sweater. Shop, shops. Tennis shoes, tennis shoes. Fruit, vegetable. Onion, onions. Pocket, pockets. Grape, grapes. Strawberry, strawberries. Watermelon, watermelons.